Hello, Coach. I'm Ruth from Ghana Media Hub. On 21st November 2022, you played England, then as the head coach for Iran, where you were defeated heavily. Are there some lessons from that night that you are going to take into tomorrow's game?
Before every match, conferences a call, so interview players and coaches, it's your manual. Ghana Black Star, the head coach, Carlos Queiroz, me a nsɛm baako mmienu ano na ɛba bɛkɔ details. Mesero, we OP pages. So one subscribe ya. No me subscribe button so. So the anything concerning the Black Stars of Ghana, this World Cup ɛba yɛnsa ɛbɛtuma ma wɔn nsa, yɛnso ɛbɛtuma ma wɔn nsa ɛtumi aka bi. Yɛnkɔ asɛm mu. Na the Black Stars head coach, I find Carlos Queiroz, etimi ekotena conference pre-match talks no ase emma a journalist etimi bisa na one important question say tama na o coach Iran no mode the same team and Ghana na omobo no team ne friend Iran ekoshia the same team Three Lions of England no mushia omo no unfortunately omo timi share no na obechiri mu saying say what will make the difference in that abro okita Ghana. And one of the things I can say was it tomorrow and I say was it today is a different day together. Ghana is a different team from Iran. Emane Kansan Bakumi Yonko team through the head coach of the Black Stars and Ankasa Ano.
Start from Nigeria. So England has Declan Rice, Harry Kane, a lot of experienced Premier League players. I want to talk about a key player for you in your Ghana team, Semeyo. First time with Ghana, first game, exceptional performance, man of the match performance. Even before the first game, he talked about the fact that he wants to embrace the responsibility. And in the past, we've seen a standout player, star players for Ghana like Ghanaian in 2010 World Cup, Thomas Partey at the 2018 World Cups, and many others that have been there. Have you urged him or challenged him to be that player that will make the difference for the Ghana team in a game as magnitude as this? The last time Ghana played England was in 2011, a friendly game, and it ended in a draw. Can that happen? Because a massive point from this game ensures that Ghana will go through to the next round of the competition. And is it a threat that Ghana will be playing against a team like England? Are you focusing on individual performance or you're going for the team as a whole?
I answered to that question, I guess, before. It's just, for me, it's just the team. In terms of public comments, I only make comments about the team. Of course, from the training and preparation point of view, my priority is to be sure that I place the players in the right position, in the right moment, and talk with them and make them believe and understand what are the role that they have. But for me, it is what can the players do for the team, not what the team can do for the players. Simple like that.
That was the explanation that the head coach of the Black Stars, Etimidima lady. The next question, so I buy you beside say Ghana etimishe Panama bako Emma England and so we need 4-2 against Croatia. Na ehona ubisane say that match no na Thomas Partey nim but the net ne nsa betimi aka Thomas Partey ewo Ghana Black Star team na mo face the Three Lions of England. And what does your journey say a kwan ben na Partey betimi influence team as an effort Emma Carlos Queiroz with the Black Star head coach no etimi kire mu say ono ontimi enka individual performance but who say Ghana team they winning against Panama, there was something that they did called discipline, and focus, and resilient. More with so some person chere, more with so, and the moment we win, and a statement highlight we able come up with but as some call can highlight a chance structure that they be able to say was the team have to find a way to win. The team have to find a way to win. On the say. A coin bia so say Ghana Black Stars a fuck coin be to win it. Say your ball possession a defending no. I know they didn't have to be a win. Young court name team for Kochi Nankasano.
Gospel from Nigeria. England defeated Croatia to 4-2 in their opening game, and your team defeated Panama. How does it feel like missing Thomas Partey in that first game? And now that he's here,
and is one of your key players in this game. What will the team do differently, and what will Thomas Partey add to this team, knowing that everyone sees England as the favourites in the game?
So gracias, thank you for your question. Along my life, I never talk individual about player. I only talk about one specific player in my team, which is the team. My team in the last game was resilient, was played with discipline, with full concentration, with only one thing in the mind: the fight for the win. As I always say, we have to find a way to win, find a way to win. And Panama was one game. Now it's a different game. We're gonna introduce a couple of different players in the starting lineup. And my favorite player, which is the team, I hope will be better. Will be better. We're able to progress. With the player that you mentioned, or whatever it is, another player, the only one player that I'm concerned that progress and be better, it is the team. So I am full confident that the starting lineup tomorrow will be strong, enthusiastic, with a lot of motivation to get the result that we need to move forward.
Thank you.
And that was what Coach Carlos Queiroz itimi and so the ma lady no bisano no. Now lady ni say bisano one question say team no ko born in England one very very important player and also about press conference and say lady to bisano if you know Declan Rice unim na on Thomas Partey kind no more Arsenal, and they happen to be very close people and no more similar positions. Nti lady ni bisano say nti abra omone omobaba be shie Thomas Partey wo mu no and I say one kaya mo last match and so Declan Rice and my Harry Kane assist wo mu to be honest say this is your teammate Thomas Partey, how are they going to handle him and what is their plan? And Declan Rice, I was expecting say because of whatever is going on would have said something negative, but he gave a very surprising answer. Young team free on one ankasano.
Hi, Godspar from Nigeria. You gave an assist to Harry Kane in the last game against Croatia. And when you look at the Ghana's midfield, when Thomas Partey is likely to start, what do you think will be the winning point and the losing point between both teams?
Yeah, obviously, you mentioned Thomas there. I played with Thomas at Arsenal, a really good player. Also, I've played against a lot of the Ghana team. And like I said, from the clips, I know what they're going to bring. They're going to bring strength, pace. They're going to want to catch us out on the counter attack. So yeah, we need to be ready for everything. But also, having played against a lot of them players, I already know what's going to be coming tomorrow.
So these are the answers the Black Stars head coach Etimi Edema Omutimi Bisan and some concerning in the match. Tell why you our comment section. I said, imagine a conscious mother was to say, what Timmy follow channel, no ultimate from a chassis, and the empire infanta, the Black Stars of Ghana. To the way on the in Kunim. We will packages unsubscribe, no subscriber to me. Say, be bound, I beat me, macron.